Welcome back to Brassic Classics. Today we are straightening out the Land Rover rim. They've been shot blasted and they're down to bare metal, but as you can see, it's a big old dented one. So we've got a hammer, and Steve, what are you holding?
The blowtorch.
Hey! Steve's lighting his blowtorch. It's not a euphemism.
It can be.
So I said about you and fire being slightly dangerous.
I do love a bit of fire. Somewhere there, I think that's looking better, isn't it? Right, that's going to be nice and hot. Let's get this glowing a bit.
I'm going to heat this up and I'm going to hit it with my usual tool, not an angle grinder but a hammer.
You mean you're not using an angle grinder today? What's going on?
Well, we'll see how badly this goes. I mean, I'll never say never.
Well, nozzle on the blowtorch.
Careful, Steve.
Am I opening up for a bit of abuse here or something, saying the word small?
Well, not as much when you say the word opening up, no.
I reckon it'll push itself straight if you get it hot enough.
Yeah, it should do. So what did you turn up then?
Oh, I just turned them both up, fuel and oxygen.
No, it's good.
That's going to move. That'll move. Blowtorch into it. Better than it was.
Yeah, it's fine.
Never going to be perfect, is it?
So there you go. That's how you fix one bent rim on a Land Rover wheel. Steve, loving your work, loving your fire.
Fire.
Okay, right, so having straightened out the rim earlier, we are now ready to prime these lovely wheels. I still haven't got proper lights yet, as you can see, so we're using just a normal lamp. It's not ideal, but we're only priming them, so it's not the end of the world. I just wanted to make some progress down the wheel. Okay, before we paint, we've got to clear all the dust off, both the wheels and the table itself. Good quality airline. Right now we're going to thin the paint down. So it's not too thick still, yeah?
It does look a little bit thick, that.
Bit of thinners in.
As there's a reasonable amount of space in this tin, I'm just going to thin it in the tin. And then it'll be ready to use from the tin straight away. Filter. Always filter.
190 microns.
Well, whatever filter. Filter last thing before it goes in the gun.
So yeah, it's not water.
Don't filter it before you thin it, because it'll take an eternity to go through the filter.
So thinners first.
Also, if there's anything in your thinners, you won't have filtered it out, so that'll be pointless.
True.
So there's actually fresh air coming into that, so you can carry on going, even though the room's full of fumes and stuff, without gassing yourself. They're not the easiest things to paint.
No, it's quite a lot of turning and
Quite awkward. Now you don't want to put your hand through there, or else you're going to be
shoving yourself in
picking
paint.
up your own paintwork.
Well, I could definitely taste the paint, you know.
I can't.
Well, you've got a breathing mask on your bugger.
First attempt.
Hey?
First attempt.
First attempt.
Don't go upside down.
Never go upside down. The gravity fed gun.
Not upside down with a suction fed gun. Oh no!
If I'm honest, that didn't quite go to plan, did it, Steve? I'm not only am I now... I may not have mentioned this. My leg is not broken in one place, it's broken in two places. And now, it's covered in etch primer. Brilliant. And these are my good trainers. These are the good trainers.
Yeah, where's some good trainers for painting?
Steve, they're not the good trainers. They're not. It's fine. Anyway, if you come into the workshop, I've decided to paint the floor.
Battleship grey,
What other colour? Yeah, so
as always.
as it turns out, you do need to make sure that's secure to that. And it was.
When I started,
Yeah, see, Steve didn't mention anything to me about that. And I'm pretty sure I didn't touch it. So,
you must have done. You must have knocked it. It can't have undone itself.
maybe the paint really honestly on the floor, because the floor does look better. Maybe we should just roller this out. Rather than putting sand on it.
You sure you don't want Santex?
Oh, he's funny. But anyway, I'm going to get some more paint on Monday. But that wheel that Steve did, and bits of the wheel I did before disaster struck, look quite good. So, Steve, until Monday, we'll still... Go now. Forget it. Right, so that happened. But we do have enough paint to finish the wheel.
One of them, maybe.
One of them. Anyway, here we go. Whoa. Well, it's still connected. That's a win. Right, let's do the top. Should we do the top already? We haven't already.
Not on that one. You threw the paint on the floor.
Hey?
Not for that one, because you threw the paint on the floor.
Cheers, Steve. Let's try that again.
Spluttering a bit. Got nothing
I'm
coming
out of
out
paint.
there.
I think running out of paint was about a minute ago. I'm out of paint. But still, let's have another look. Yeah, out of paint. Yeah, out of paint.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
It's the start.
Given that most of it, some of it went on the wheels. Most of it didn't.
Nice.
Steve, it's not a problem. I just decided that I suddenly fancied a beach in my workshop. and you know, you may not like that, I don't care. It's a coronavirus, people. We're not going to be going abroad for a while. Make your own holiday destination. It's a win-win for me. Alright.
And he did it again.
Yeah, I did, yeah, I did. I'm just walking away with the gun connected.